The U.S. dollar is continuing to strengthen, and that's impacting grains right now. AgDay's Michelle Rook has more in Markets Now.
Another down day in the grains on Tuesday. Chuck Shelby is with us with analysis. And, we've had a little setback here to start the week in the grains. Were we kind of due for a correction, or did we just run up into some chart resistance in a lot of these cases?
I think we had a pretty good run in the markets after the election. We saw some gains. We saw some good demand show up. We'd made a pretty big run, and so market profit takers came in. Some negativity there, but overall, the U.S. dollar rallying pretty sharply probably caused some concern. But hopefully, if we pull back here as we have, that we'll see world buyers step in and think these are some good values again to be purchased in our grain.
Yeah, that's been kind of the case, hasn't it? We go down to these levels where we see demand surface, we go up to the top side of the ranges, and then we get farmers selling too, don't we?
Yeah, I think another factor is, harvest is really winding down here, and a lot of producers have put grain in the bin, and they're not inclined to let it go unless we get rallies. So overall, basis has improved pretty radically. So I think, this is just a way the market's going to behave here. And again, when we go down low enough, we find buyers. If we go up high enough, there's still some farmers who are willing to let it go if they can get a decent price on a good basis.
And as far as the soybeans, the lower soybean oil market was also a bit of a culprit.
Yeah, I think it's probably got to do with potential policies, a new EPA administrator that will come on with the new administration.
The wheat market has also been a culprit in pulling corn and soybeans down both Monday and Tuesday. Do you think the wheat market is seeing all technical selling, or is this the improved weather that we've seen?
It's probably a combination of improved weather. Also, it's very sensitive to what the dollar is doing. We should be able to find some value here. I think, world wheat supplies are really not that big, but we're kind of the last resort for world buyers to come into. But I'd say we're pretty close to a bottom here with the breakdown in the market in the last few days.
All right, let's hope so. Chuck Shelby, Risk Management Commodities. We'll have more AgDay coming up.